List all possible rational zeros of the function. We're not going to find them, we're just going to list the possible ones. So I'll call this the PRZ. And here's how you find the possible rational zeros. You take plus or minus the factors of the constant, which in this case is the number. It's always should if you write in correct order, it's always a number on the end without that variable. So it's factors of 7 divided by plus or minus the factors of the leading coefficient, which is in this case is 18. And so what you want to do is list all the factors of 7. So we have 1 and 7. And then the factors of 18, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 won't go, 5 won't go, 6 will go, 7 won't go, 8 won't go, and 9 will go, and so will 18. And if you want to do it a little bit easier without having to write down plus or minus in front of everything, you can do a little trick like this. Make it plus or minus. So now, all we're going to do is divide out everything top to bottom. So 1 over 1 is 1, 1 over 2 is 1/2, 1 over 3 is 1/3, 1 over 6 is 1/6, 1 over 9 is 1/9, 1 over 18 is 1/18. Do the same thing with 7. 7 over 1 is 7, 7 over 2, 7 over 3, 7 over 6, 7 over 9, and then 7 over 18. And so it's plus or minus every one of those. So if you want to write them all out, you can. Or if you want to do what I'm about to do, you can do this too. Plus minus, 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 plus minus. Hey, I want to show you one last thing. Something that will help you out with finding these factors. Let's use our graphing calculator. I'm going to go to 1. I'm going to type in 7 divided by x. I don't know why I say go to 1. Go to y equals. Then look at, I don't want the graph. I actually want the table. And the nice numbers, 1 and 7. There's nothing else that's nice. That's the only numbers, or the only factors of 7. Watch this. The same thing for 18. Look at the table. 1 and 18, which I have. 2 and 9 I have. 3 and 6. 6 and 3, but I've already got it because it's the same as 3 and 6, so I've got them all listed. So it's kind of a quick way. I don't look at the ones with the decimals, I only look at the nice ones. And when I see an overlap, 3, 6, 6, 3, that means I'm done. So it's kind of a quick and easy way to find the factors.